If your cutting board is constantly slipping, soaking up smells, or leaving your counter covered in meat juices, you already know how annoying such a simple kitchen tool can become. It's one of those things you use every day, but rarely think about upgrading. That's exactly where the Keechee Bamboo Cutting Board set comes in. This is designed for home cooks who want a more reliable, cleaner, and better organized prep experience without overcomplicating things. Instead of relying on one worn-out board for everything, this set gives you 3 different sizes to handle different tasks more efficiently. Right away, the design feels practical and well thought out. You get 3 boards, small, medium, and large, which sound basic, but in daily use, it actually makes a big difference. The larger board is great for meat or meal prep. The medium works well for vegetables and fruits, and the smaller one is perfect for quick tasks like slicing bread or cheese. It naturally keeps things more organized and avoids a crowded, messy feeling on your counter. The bamboo itself has a slightly darker tone, thanks to the carbonization process, and it gives the board a more premium look compared to lighter, untreated bamboo. More importantly, it helps reduce moisture absorption. In real terms, that means less warping, fewer cracks over time, and less lingering odor from things like onions or raw meat. The surface feels smooth and sturdy, and it's gentle enough on knives that you're not dulling your blades too quickly. The built-in handles are a small detail, but they make a noticeable difference. Moving chopped ingredients from the board to a pan feels easier and more controlled, especially when your hands are busy or slightly wet. And the deep juice grooves around the edges of the larger board actually do their job. If you're cutting meat or juicy fruits, the liquid stays contained instead of spilling all over your counter, which saves you an extra cleanup step. In everyday use, these boards feel reliable and low maintenance. They don't slide around much while chopping, and the dual-sided design means you can flip them over for different tasks, which helps extend their lifespan. Cleaning is straightforward too. Because the bamboo doesn't absorb much water, a quick rinse and wipe usually does the job. For longer-term care, a bit of mineral oil keeps them looking fresh, but it's not something you have to constantly worry about. Performance-wise, this isn't about flashy features, it's about consistency. Whether you're chopping vegetables, slicing meat, or prepping ingredients for a full meal, the boards hold up well. They feel stable under pressure, and the surface doesn't develop deep grooves too quickly, which is often a problem with cheaper boards. Over time, that durability makes a difference because you're not replacing them every few months. That said, there are a few things to keep in mind. Bamboo is durable, but it's not completely maintenance-free. If you leave it wet for too long or skip occasional oiling, it can still dry out or lose its finish over time. Also, while the set is versatile, the boards are relatively lightweight, which some people might see as less premium compared to heavier hardwood boards. And like most bamboo options, it's not ideal for dishwasher use. You'll need hand wash them. Compared to plastic cutting boards in the same price range, these feel more durable and definitely more visually appealing. Plastic boards are easier to toss in the dishwasher, but they tend to stain, warp, and hold on to knife marks much faster. On the other hand, higher-end wooden boards like maple or walnut offer a thicker, heavier feel, but they also come at a significantly higher price and require more care. This set sits comfortably in the middle. It balances durability, ease of use, and affordability. So who is this really for? If you cook regularly and want a simple upgrade that makes prep cleaner and more organized, this set makes a lot of sense. It's especially useful for people who like having separate boards for different ingredients without cluttering the kitchen. If you're looking for a heavy, premium butcher block experience, this might feel a bit lightweight, but for most everyday kitchens, it does exactly what it needs to do. At the end of the day, the Keechee Bamboo Cutting Board set isn't trying to reinvent anything. It just solves common kitchen problems in a practical, reliable way. And sometimes, that's exactly what you want. If you found this helpful, you can like the video, subscribe for more honest kitchen reviews, and check the link in the description if you want to see the latest price or pick up a set for your kitchen.